Eating healthy on budget. If you're having trouble serving healthy foods because of the cost, these tips will help you eat healthy on a budget. 1. Get rid of junk food. Shopping alone is the most convenient way to shop because children and, occasionally, spouses are the ones who request junk food. Shopping alone will keep this from happening and ensure that you only buy what you need. 2. Replace soft drinks with water or milk. You can still enjoy your favorite drinks at a sporting event or on a night out, but to save money and calories, stick to the smallest size when shopping. Milk and milk products are required on a daily basis by children and adults alike. Milk will also help you get strong and provides calcium for healthy bones and healthy teeth. 3. Purchase a large quantity of fruits. When fruits are in season, buy in bulk and freeze any extras. You can buy several pounds of fruit this way and freeze the extras for when the fruit is out of season. Wash the fruit thoroughly, remove any spoiled pieces, and thoroughly dry before freezing in plastic zipper bags. 4. Meats and legumes. Protein is best found in meats and beans. Lean meat is more expensive than fattier meats. Canned beans are also a good buy because they provide protein at a low cost. 5. Beans is a substitute. Beans should be used as a meat substitute on a regular basis. There are several varieties, so you can prepare them in a crock pot and have them ready to eat when you get home. Beans should be consumed at least 4 times per week, according to the USDA. If you get gas after eating beans, try washing them, covering them with water, bringing it to a boil, draining it, and refilling the pot. 6. Eating fish frequently. If you live near a body of water or in an area where there is a lot of fish, make it a regular part of your diet. You can catch them in lakes or rivers and save money in the process. 7. Peanut butter. Because it is popular with almost everyone, peanut butter is ideal for those on a budget. You can use it to make sandwiches instead of hot dogs. It does need to be refrigerated, but larger jars can keep you going for weeks. 8. Fill up on foods that are high in water content. Watermelon, salads, and sugar-free gelatin are all excellent examples. You can never go wrong with eating healthy. It is possible to eat healthy for a few dollars, making it ideal for those on a tight budget. You no longer need a lot of money to live the lifestyle and health that you've always desired. Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.